Hello guys, hello Senior 1 students. This is Mr. Kareem Rashad, and today I'm gonna talk about molar volume of gases. At first, volume of a gas means the space taken by this gas. Okay, let's get started. Here, the scientist Avogadro postulated that, or Avogadro supposed that equal volumes of different gases, if we have equal volumes of different gases, they will contain the same number of molecules. But that's at standard temperature and pressure, or STP. Here, standard temperature and pressure means temperature will be equal 0 degrees Celsius and pressure equals 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, let's understand what Avogadro had said. Avogadro said if we have equal volumes, just like this, I have equal volumes, equal beakers, and they have equal volumes. Equal volumes of different gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. As we have here equal volumes of different gases. Avogadro said if we counted the number of molecules, they will be the same. That means if we counted the number of oxygen molecules here in this beaker, it will be, for example, it will be oxygen, 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 oxygen. So how many molecules? 4 molecules. Also, if we counted the number of molecules of nitrogen beaker, they will be nitrogen, 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 nitrogen. How many molecules? Also 4 molecules. If we counted the number of molecules in the carbon dioxide beaker, they will be carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. So if we have equal volumes of different gases, they will contain, or they have the same number of molecules. I'm trying to make you understand what Avogadro said. Number 2, Avogadro discovered that 1 mole of any gas takes a volume of 22.4 liter. Just to understand, if we have zinc plus hydrochloric acid, they produce hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, here 1 mole. If we made this experiment practical, and if we added zinc to hydrochloric acid, the hydrogen gas evolved. If we succeeded to collect the hydrogen gas evolved and measured its volume, measured the volume of hydrogen gas, we will discover, or we will found that the volume of hydrogen gas evolved when we added zinc to hydrochloric acid. Its volume will be 22.4 liter. So that's what Avogadro said. He said that if we have 1 mole of any gas, its volume will be 22.4 liter. And if we have 2 moles, its volume will be 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. So volume of 2 moles equal 44.8 liters. So if the number of moles increases, also the volume increases. There is a direct relation between volume and the number of moles, and that's called Avogadro's law. So I said 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. So 3 moles equal, I'm trying to make a rule to answer the problems, or to find the volume of any number of moles. Okay, here we wanted to know the volume. So the volume will be equal 3 times 22.4 divided by 1. 22.4, it's not any volume. It's a special volume. It's the volume of 1 mole. So it's called molar volume. So to find the volume of any gas, volume equal number of moles times the molar volume, which is 22.4 liter. And we can make this relation in a magic triangle. It will be like this: volume of any gas equal number of moles times 22.4 liter. Now let's find the answer of the first problem. He says calculate the volume of 5 moles of carbon dioxide. Mister, to know the volume of a gas, we make number of mole times 22.4 to find the volume equal number of moles times 22.4. Do we have the number of moles here? Yes, mister. He says 5 moles. So it's a direct problem. We say 5 times 22.4 equal the right volume or the correct answer beside the unit liter. But sometimes he didn't give you the number of moles, but he gave you 88 grams. Calculate the volume of 88 grams. It's not the number of moles of carbon dioxide. So the difference between these two problems, he gave you the number of moles here, but there he didn't give you the number of moles. He gave you a mass. So we will change the mass by the mass triangle, mass and number of moles and the molar mass. Here, to find the molar mass of carbon dioxide, we have 1 carbon, each one B12, plus we have 2 oxygen, 2 times 16 equal 44 gram per mole. So the molar mass here equal 44 and the mass equals 88 gram. So you can find easily the number of moles. Number of moles equal 88 divided 44. They will be 2 moles. Now when you get the number of moles, it's easy to answer the problem. Volume equal number of moles times 22.4. So to find the volume equal 2 times 22.4. The answer will be 44.8 liters.